And that cute little baby girl. Oh my god. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and it's me, your Dr. Heart Narinotana, and today's another reaction video, another vlog, which is, of course, another artist, and she's a girl. Of course, she's a girl, and her name is Karolina Protsenko. And Protsenko, I don't know how to pronounce her name or her last name, but she's doing a lot of violin cover on the street. I think it's in a European country. Yes, and I'm going to react her cover, which is titled Dance Monkey. Yes, here in my front, with my iPad. Yes, Dance Monkey, Tones and I by Karolina Protsenko violin cover. So are you excited, guys? And me, of course, I'm so excited to watch this. And this video was suggested by one of my mother, or my fairy godmother, I mean. Yeah, she chats, which is my dear beloved, my Arubio. Thank you so much for recommending me this video, Mama. And I'm going to watch it now. And for sure, I'm going to react on this. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to say. I don't know what I'm going to react on this video. So let's go. So guys, let's hear and react the Dance Monkey, Tones and I by Karolina Protsenko. So here we go. Oh, she's beautiful. She's pretty. Oh, the girl there, she's dancing with her. She's so cute. Oh, that girl wearing pink clothes, she's so cute. She's dancing. Oh, she's so beautiful, really. And the way she handled her violin was so perfect. It feels like she's just like playing on the street. This girl was so talented. I mean, is so talented, yes. See, there's a lot of instrument there. I think she's with her family. Yes. And there's a baby walker or stroller. With the speaker, the organ, and everything. She's so good. And there's a lot of people watching on her. And they like it. I can stop myself dancing just because of the music that she's presenting on us. It's so beautiful. And you can see that she's enjoying because she's dancing. Guys, come on. And that cute little baby girl. Oh my god. Oh. That's it, guys, we already watched Karolina Protsenko on how she performed on the street. Yes, on the street, guys, on the street. Titled Dance Monkey Tones and I. Violin cover. Actually, I'm always reacting to Alip Bata in terms of finger style cover like guitar. And now this is my first time ever to react a violin cover by Karolina Protsenko, and she's so good. Why those people keeping on this talent, and why those people, other people, doesn't expose on other, you know, I think TV programs or give some slots in terms of popularity with their talent to share with us. Oh my god, it's so good, and it feels like I want to dance with her, really. And she's so good, she's so cute, she's so talented, and the parents itself, it's so supportive. So that is the most important thing that the parents should give to their children or to their kids, just in terms of supporting their needs, supporting their wants. Yes, supporting their wants, and of course believing in their talent. So that's it. That's the most important thing that the parents should do to their kids or to their children, just to support and give them what they want to do in their life. Yes, and accept everything that, you know. She's so cute, she's so talented. I can't wait to see more on this, guys. So again, thank you so much for watching my reaction video here in Otana, and I hope you really like it, guys. And I hope more reaction videos to come, especially on this girl, which is very talented, Karolina Protsenko violin covers. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great day ahead, and God bless everyone. Bye bye. Mwah.